How would you like to get better results with your marketing? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one common mistake that a lot of people make, and it's killing the response rate they get from what they're doing to promote their business. Take a look. Hey everyone, Kevin Smullin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We're so glad you're here. What we're all about is helping real estate agents just like you generate more leads, set more appointments, and close more deals. So if that's what you're after, please consider subscribing. This is the place to be. We'd love to have you here as part of our community. Before we get going in today's video, just one quick note down below. We do a lot of social media marketing for real estate agents, and we have noticed that there are 4 key elements of success, and that's really the foundation of our system. We call them the 4 pillars of success for social media marketing. So down in the description below, you will find a link to a series of free videos that will teach you these 4 pillars and how they work. So make sure you go check that out. It is time well spent. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the one common marketing mistake that so many people make, and it is hurting their results. And that common mistake that they make is their marketing is focused on the wrong thing, or more specifically on the wrong person. So many real estate agents, when you look at their marketing, it's very focused on them as the real estate agent. Hey, we just did this, I'm great, I've closed this many deals, I won these awards, and so on and so on and so on. And what ends up happening is the marketing just loses its relevance in the eyes of the people that are listening to it. So you've got to think about your own experience as a consumer. When you're consuming marketing messages, I would suspect of the hundreds of marketing messages that you're exposed to every single day of your life, you probably remember very, very few of them, maybe 1 or 2 per day tops, right? And if you think about the 1 or 2 that you do remember every day, I'd be willing to bet that in the majority of those cases, the reason why you remembered it is because it is something that is relevant to you, right? It's something that you're dealing with. It's a problem you're facing. You're looking for answers, looking for solutions. And so when that message comes across, it hits home and you remember it because it's like, man, I need that. Right? So the way that we really make our marketing appeal to more people and get a higher response rate is by making it more about them. See, so many agents approach this from the mindset of the way that I'm going to convince people to do business with me is because I've won all these awards and I have these designations and this experience and I've been in the community forever. When the truth of the matter is people are going to do business with you because of what you can help them achieve. See, the one thing that is universally true with every single person on this planet is that the thing that they care most about is themselves. See, when you understand that foundational principle, it's really easy to start crafting marketing messages that will have a greater result, a greater relevance for people. Because when you stop making it about you and you start making it about them, you'll instantly notice an increase in the response that you're getting with your marketing. So one of the things that you can really use as a very quick rule of thumb is when you're analyzing your marketing and taking a look at it, you want to look at the ratio of I's and we's to you's, right? If you're using I and we way more often than you're using you in any type of marketing format, whether it's print media, social media, whatever, I would tell you that you're missing the point because we want to be conveying a message to your potential prospects. It's not about you. So everyone thinks that their level of experience matters, and please don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying that that's wrong. Experience does matter. It makes a huge difference. But what people care about is not so much how many years of experience you have. What they care more about is how your years of experience benefits them. What can you help them accomplish because of your experience? That is what people care about. So when you start making that transition with your marketing, you'll notice an instant increase in what you're doing simply because you're having a message that's going to be more relatable and more pertinent to the people who are consuming it. So this is easily the number one mistake that I see real estate agents make in all of their forms of marketing, is the marketing is very much about them. I would tell you that if you shift gears and instantly start making it more about the people that are consuming that message, you'll notice a very dramatic increase in your results. So hopefully that was valuable. If so, take a split second, click that thumbs up button down below. If so, thank you. We appreciate your support. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Down below, you'll find the subscribe button, and right next to it, there's a bell notification. If you click on that, you'll be notified every time we put out brand new content, and we do new stuff like this every single week with new tips, marketing strategies, things that will help you grow your business. So also, if you are interested in our done-for-you social media marketing services, down in the description below, you'll find a link that has more information about that. So feel free to go check that out. Other than that, that's it. Make it a great week. Keep crushing it in your real estate business. As always, if we can help, let us know. Otherwise, we will see you on the next video. Take care.